Viewers, we start this bulletin with some breaking updates coming in. An encounter has broken out between security forces and terrorists in Anantnag district of Jammu and Kashmir. Security forces launched a cordon and search operation in the Kapran forest area of Anantnag in South Kashmir this morning after receiving specific information about the presence of terrorists in the area. Police said that the search operation turned into an encounter after terrorists fired upon the search party of the forces who retaliated. The exchange of fire is going on and further details are still awaited even as we speak. We'll go across to my colleague Zeenat, who's also joining us live. So Zeenat, over to you. An encounter has broken out between the security forces. Please take us to the details.
See, yes, we are reporting from the Kapran forest of South Kashmir's Anantnag district, where the contact with the hiding terrorist in this very forest belt was established early morning. In fact, my VJ Firdaus will show you the visuals of the topography of this very particular belt where the search at present is going on. In fact, this is an operation of 2 para along with 3 para and also SOG Anantnag and CRPF. In fact, the 19 RR unit of Rashtra Rifles is also deployed here. You can see the Jawans on ground and the men and machinery on ground. In fact, some time back, the chopper services were also pressed in to locate the hiding terrorists, because this is a huge forest belt, and we are picking from the sources that the terrorists who earlier fired upon the security forces are hiding in this very forest belt. In fact, not only the men and machine, but also while conducting the search in this forest belt, 1 grenade and also 1 mobile phone have been recovered by the security forces. As of now, the search is going on because early in the morning the contact was established and more reinforcement have also been rushed by the security forces in this very forest belt.
In fact, Zeenat, do we have any information about how many terrorists might be present in that location? We do know that the operation is still underway. The encounter broke out between the security forces and terrorists in Anantnag district. Any information about how many people or how many terrorists might be there? All right.
See, as of now, there were the inputs that had been coming since morning.
Coming back to you.